Before we start this video, subscribe to my channel, give a like, and click the bell for more updates. Hi everyone, today I'm going to be reading a book called Grumpy Ninja by Mary Nin. Let's begin. Grumpy Ninja was the grumpiest ninja you'll ever met. For breakfast, his mom made his sister's favorite dish. That made him grumpy. When Grumpy Ninja got to school late, it made him super grumpy. Wow. He got into school after lunchtime. During class, he couldn't get the pencil sharpener to work. This made him super duper grumpy. After school, his friends decided to head to the beach, and Grumpy Ninja tagged along. Positive Ninja and Earth Ninja grabbed hands and pulled him to the water. I don't have time for this. Before you knew it, Grumpy Ninja was splashing around and having a blast. Then he felt something he had never felt before. What is that feeling? Happiness. How could I have more of that? He asked. If one could bottle up happiness and buy it, Positive Ninja smiled and replied, "We can buy it, but we can cultivate it. I'll show you." Instead of focusing on what's wrong, we can choose to focus on what's right. For example, we have 5 fingers on our hand. That helps us draw and write. We have ears to listen to music. Believe it or not, some people can't hear with their ears. Yeah, that's true. We have 2 legs that help us do flips and 2 feet that help us kick. We have a home where we can take bubble baths. If we take time to pray or meditate, it will help us have gratitude for the small things in life, like sunshine and the food we eat, the air we can breathe, and the clean water we can drink. We can thank for birds and bees and flowers and trees, and most of all, our family. Well, that was a sweet book, wasn't it? So I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up. I will see you in our next video. Bye!